I'm Santina with WTI. If you love to drink tea, then you have to check out this adorable Pinky Up ceramic mug. So first of all, I absolutely love the design of this mug. It's in this beautiful soft pink color, and it has this kind of like beehive design to it with these little gold imprinted bees. It is just so cute. I also love that when you get to the bottom of your tea in the morning, it says be happy. It's just so adorable and it makes me smile and it does make me happy for the day. So I think that is such a cool, nice feature. Also, I find it really hard to find loose leaf filters, and this mug comes with a loose leaf filter. So you have your little gold filter there. You can just put your tea leaves in and then put your hot water in, and then when you're ready to drink your tea, you just take the filter out, and you can even use the top as a holder for the filter so you don't make a mess. So overall, this is just such a fun mug. So I highly recommend this, and that's my point of view.